So I have two colors that are close to the client's complexion, and I'm going to test them out here. So let's see the first color.
Of course it is. We rescued you. And in the nick of time, too. Your Barbie sister was about to kill you.
That's the first color.
Well, lucky for you, we have the antidote. There it is. Looks like they know everything.
So I'm going to do the first one. Can you guys see? Okay, so these are the two different color samples. This one's a little bit darker.
Is an excellent driver. She can be out of the touch.
I always like to do a color sample first.
You are safe as kings here with Granny. Everything at the palace is perfectly fine.
Everything at the palace.
And now I'm going to saturate this right here with the tint. I don't need to do this part here because this part's not transparent, so it doesn't show through on our cap, see? So let me show you. See my fingernail here? But then my fingernail will disappear into the cap back here. You can't see it anymore. You can't see it, and then here you can see the glitter. So the cap is not transparent all the way. And so now I'm going to shake up the spray bottle with the lace. Hi, hello, thank you guys. Pull the hair back. And I'm just going to saturate this here. Probably need to shake it a little more. And let it sit on there. Kind of dragging it to kind of mash it into the lace there. Because it comes out as a foam, but kind of want to tint the lace there.
All we have to do is help take the English throne.
Just kind of dragging it in there, kind of really saturating it in, especially because we're only doing it on one side. And we're not going to go in on the other side. I mean, we can, but I just don't. I don't know if some of you do. Let me know in the comments if that's how you guys do it. And I'm really just saturating that lace in there, spraying the product in and dragging it through. And that's it. So then I'll just let this sit here for, I don't know, about 10-15 minutes. Really just let it soak in there and tint that lace, wash it out, and now the lace is a different color. And that is how I tint the lace here at Magic Hair Company. Thanks guys for watching.